Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be another wig installation video. Your girl is low-key sad about this because I actually received this wig last week. I'm trying to see if my necklaces are gonna act right, but I actually received this wig last Wednesday to be exact. And this is from Asteria hair. I've worked with them before. I absolutely loved them the first time. So whenever there's a company that I like the first time, I typically feel like we'll be in a great relationship. But anyway, so mini little story. I received this wig on Wednesday, and my boyfriend at the time, now fiance, actually told me that we were going to dinner on Thursday. And, you know, I really didn't want to go to dinner because of the whole, y'all gotta go watch the vlogs to find out all that stuff. So I didn't really want to go to dinner. Was just kind of like, let's just make this real chill because I don't know why we gotta go to dinner on Thursday. We can just go on Monday after the girls' cheer competition is over. So anyways, I kept asking him, like, well, where are we going so I can, like, pretty much dress for the occasion? And he was just like, oh, it's a surprise. Don't worry about it. So on Thursday, he was like, oh, did you schedule, like, a hair appointment? Like, I want you to just go do all the stuff that you typically do. And I'm like, no, I'm not scheduling no hair appointment. I'm not scheduling none of this other stuff. And I'm like, well, I do have a wig that just came in, so maybe I can go ahead and do that wig installation myself so I can have me a brand new wig. But then later on, when he told me we were going to Maggiano's, I was like, Maggiano's, let me go ahead and put on one of these other wigs that I already got because, you know, it ain't that deep. It ain't that deep. And, you know, I got a long, busy weekend anyway, so we'll just save this wig for later. Lo and behold, your girl was getting proposed to, and I wish I would immediately, like, literally, that was my first thought. When I opened the door and realized that sign said, will you marry me? And I did not have my freaking brand new wig on, my heart broke into a million pieces. And I'm like, why did I not just listen to him and go and get my hair done? But it's okay, y'all, because your girl, all the wedding adventures that are about to commence are going to be big. We're going to be taking pictures until the wedding day. So I am about to go ahead and install the wig, and I want it to look good, but I low-key don't want it to look good, so I can be like, okay, it didn't look good, but I already know, like I said, they're gonna be great. So inside the box, we have this HD wig cap, and we also have the edge brush. We have a cute little scrunchie. This is a cute color too, y'all. This is, and I just bought a lot of maroon stuff. Oh my gosh. I just even got, like, I don't know why all of a sudden, but I was feeling like maroon, and I bought like so much maroon accessories. So this is perfect timing. And then I got the edge band, and then of course the wig bag for traveling or just like for regular storage. And then here is the lady of the hour. So this is HD lace, 250 density, small cap size, 26 inches. So we're about to install this wig. If y'all watched my proposal video, if you have not, go ahead and go to my Instagram so y'all can see like how my hair was and all of that. Hell, I would have not even had that outfit on had I known. Your girl would have came through there dressed to the nines, honey. I got dressed for Maggiano, so you know. If you've never been to Maggiano's, I mean, it's not like a low budget place, but it's not like this 5-star thing where I'm like, okay, girl, like, let's get dressed up or anything. So I dressed like I was going to Maggiano's. Oh my gosh, this wig already looks so good. Look at this part. Oh, your girl's hair could have been laid to the gods. Y'all, I don't know why these people keep calling my phone. Like, leave your girl alone. Y'all. Oh, it's a 13x4, so this is definitely not a glueless wig. Well, some of them are glueless, but we're gonna go ahead and get into the inside of the wig, and it has all the fixings that I love. It has this adjustable band on the inside. It has the combs that I love, and it also has the little strappy strap that is for extra securing of your wig. And as you can see, like I said, the wig, it just looks really good. Like the part, the lace, the edges, like all of that. And, oh yeah, I got some scissors up here because the girl's been coming into my stuff lately. This doesn't even look like I need to do anything, but I do always like to do a little something so y'all can see. But look how beautiful this is. Look how beautiful this is. Okay, y'all, so now I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace off. I put the wig on, and nothing is attached to my head or anything like that. I'm going to just go ahead and cut the lace. Make sure you... first part behind my ear. Nice and easy. I'm gonna take the second part. Got the second part. Nice and easy. So you can fix the front of it after you've kind of adjusted it. And just pull all of that back up. Make sure all of that is good to go. And now we have a nice middle part. I'm going to go ahead and just take all the excess lace off. And remember, line it back up to how you adjusted it with your ears. Because I think I'm going to do a few layers of the spray. And this is just because I don't want to glue it down. So this just is a way to make this glueless, but you still can secure it. And as a matter of fact, it probably can go glueless because it blends in so freaking good to my hair. Go ahead and get a nice little... Go ahead. I needed to bring my portable fan and leave it up here. I'll probably do this twice, so let's just go ahead and get started with I'm going to take these clips out. It's definitely gorgeous. I'm going to take some of my girls spray. I just want y'all to be able to see. Okay. The difference between I kind of still have room to do a little bit more here. Okay, y'all, so this is the difference of the hair with product and where I use the water. I use my curl spray, and then I did set it just a little bit with my Got To Be, and then this is the natural state of the hair. So I like them both actually. I definitely can't wait to see the dry down with how it dries with the product in there. But yeah, I'm about to go ahead and do this other side, and then I'll probably spray one more time right here. Well, it just depends on what it looks like, because like I said, I can still take this off every night and then just respray it. Only thing I don't like about that is I'll have more and more product buildup if I'm doing that on a daily basis. So I'm gonna probably try to sleep in this. I don't like sleeping in my wigs anymore because I just feel like they last much longer without having to do that. So I may do like every 2 days. And luckily this is curly hair, so that would be the best hair to like be able to rinse the product out easily and then, you know, reapply whenever I need to. But yeah, so this is just what it looks like. I know I'm wearing all this black, but these are the curls, and this is just what it looks like. So I'm about to do the other side, and I'll be right back. Well, it definitely worked, y'all. That looks so fucking good. Like, it looks so good. It looks so good. Okay, so this wig looks really good, and this is my first time doing the 13x4 glueless, where it actually looks really good, like really good. I think me cutting my ears off first was a great idea, and then like I made sure to not go all the way down here, because that little part right there just always messes stuff up. So if you can really get good around your ears, I think you'll be good to go. This just looks so good. Now you can add baby hair if you see fit, but I have been doing away with wearing the baby hair, so I think I like it a lot without it. And yeah, so this is the final look, y'all. Let me go ahead and give y'all a back action so y'all can kind of see, you know, how it looks all together. But if y'all like it, y'all already know what to do. Let me know in the comments below. Go ahead and click the link in my description. Use my coupon code that will be in the description as well. Check their website out. All wigs are not made equal. All wig companies are not made equal. So you cannot do this. I've tried to do this several times before, and it literally bit me in the butt. Like, it just could not be done. I don't know if it was the lace. Maybe it was a small percentage of my technique, but this was easy peasy. So, Asteria hair. Thank you, girl. Love y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.